I have the hiccups. So today I'm going to show you the method that I know for curing the hiccups. Apparently they're not very bad, but here's what you do. You breathe in as much as you can.
Who are you talking to?
The camera. This is my brother.
Oh, okay.
You breathe in as much as you can. So much so that it hurts. And then you hold your breath for as long as you can. And this paralyzes your diaphragm, keeps it still so that it stops twitching. My hiccups may have gone away because they're camera shy, but longer than that, but yeah. Another method that my dad used on me yesterday when I had the hiccups, he came in and said, "Oh, you have the hiccups? Prove it. Prove to me that you have the hiccups right now." And then I stopped hiccuping. I don't know why it works, but you could try it. You're welcome, world.